Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Chainlink from Trust Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you're holding Chainlink tokens and want to move them to Robinhood for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any updates since crypto rules can change fast. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and your Robinhood account set up and verified. You'll need some Chainlink tokens in your Trust Wallet. Remember, this involves real money, so proceed with caution to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Chainlink wallet. Look for the Link token in your assets list. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Step 2. Hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. Now, head over to your Robinhood app. Go to the Deposit or Transfer section. It's usually under the Accounts or Crypto tab. Robinhood will provide you with a unique deposit address for Chainlink. Copy that address carefully. Step 3. Paste the Robinhood deposit address into the To field in Trust Wallet. Double check that it's correct to prevent sending your tokens to the wrong place. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, making sure you leave enough for any network fees. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including fees. In 2025, Chainlink might use the Ethereum network, so expect some gas fees. Once you're happy, confirm the send. You'll get a confirmation screen, approve it, and your transaction will start processing. After that, keep an eye on your Robinhood account. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the tokens to show up, depending on network congestion. If you run into issues, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. You've successfully sent Chainlink from Trust Wallet to Robinhood. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.